So here's the second most important part to your rock sliders working correctly, and it's the placement of this magnet sensor inside of your vehicle being aligned with the magnet on your door. So if your steps go up and down and get stuck in the down or anything like that, a lot of times what it means is your magnet is too close to the wire right here. If you literally shift the magnet that's on your door slightly this way, roughly a quarter or about an 1/8 inch away from that wire, they'll work perfectly. It's amazing what that 1/8 inch will do. The magnet interferes with the wire sometimes. So if it's exactly perfect, it might interfere with your wiring. If you shift it about an 1/8 inch that way away from the wiring, perfecto. Undaunted tips and tricks on the step sliders by Rock Slide Engineering. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.